What's up, CloudLife? It's Cash Flow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on crypto within XRP with Ichimoku technical analysis. And today, we will be taking a close look at XRP versus the US dollar. So, you guys, a lot of us are worried, panicked right now because the elections, no one knows who's going to be in office. Guys, relax, calm down, be thankful you're alive today. And I do want to say to you guys, this is a God-fearing channel. We put Jesus Christ first. So I want to say to you guys, do not panic. Everything is going to be in God's will. Whatever God decides is what he's going to do and allow to be in office. And for whatever reason, his ways is not our ways and his thoughts are not our thoughts. So we have to respect who is in office as far as what God's will is for what he wants to do in this season. So be prayerful, be praying that God's will be done, folks. It's a lot of people don't believe in that God doesn't have a hand in politics, but God does, because God raises up kings and he tears them down. So he decides who is in office or who's not. And it's because he has to put certain people in place to fulfill his word in the scriptures. So whoever's in office is going to be there for a reason, to fulfill scriptures in later times. So just be prepared for whatever. If you are a child of God, a true child of God, you have nothing to worry about, because he's going to take care of you during this season. So it is all good, folks. Just stay encouraged, stay blessed, you guys. That's the message I have for you guys there. Now let's get into this technical analysis with Ichimoku Clouds. All right. So looking at the chart, my friends, we see that the cloud is showing us that we are bullish so far with the Kumo here. The Chico span stuck in here, so it still is a 50-50 game. Right now, you see the current daily candle. We zoom in on the current market right in here. We see that the market has hit resistance right up here. So I'm going to draw that here real quick. I'm actually going to make another line for you guys to see. Make it a red line here and put it right there. Perfect. So this is going to be on the smaller time frames as well, but we did hit resistance at 26 cents 166. So that is a area that is going to be pretty major in what's coming, whether we break that level or not. So we need to go down to the 4-hour chart, really get an idea what's going on here. So this is that level that we haven't broke, but we are hitting now a resistance. Right now, I'm seeing that the price could, not dip down, but because we are above the cloud and we have a little thin cloud that's forming. And you guys, this was my entry here, but I'll show you guys on the 1 hour as we go down. But right now, it's saying that the market could make a pullback down to the Kijun-sen. Whenever you see this Kijun-sen go flat, that means the price wants to act as a magnet and pull down. So don't be surprised if you see price pulled down. But I really believe that once we get above this zone here, that XRP is going to have a major bull run like never before. We may even hit, the 80-cent range and higher towards December. So I'm very bullish. I'm not changing my tune. I'm just going to expect some small pullback, whether it be down to the blue line down here or to the Kumo cloud right here, but that'll bring us down to 24 cents 473 if we do that, or down to here 24 cents and 519. So it is very possible for that to happen, because once you break a fractal, price usually likes to come down and test the fractal that it broke. Then once it's cleared as a solid level of support or resistance, then it continues back to the upside. So don't be surprised if price dips down here for a short term and to the upside afterwards. So we could definitely get a movement like this, a move to the downside, then a bounce back to the upside, and maybe even stall here, range in here for a little bit, and then move up. But it is too early to call the move. I see a potential drop to the downside depending on what the 1 hour chart tells us. And if we come down here, we see that the market could very well do that and come probably to this level too as well at 24 cents 463. So that's very likely to happen too, because this is a Fibonacci level, I believe. So once we see that, we will see price move higher. And looking here, like I said, this was my entry. If you guys follow my live streams, subscribe, man, right now. I promise you, subscribe right now, because you will enjoy the live stream tonight. If you do, I am going to have a live stream tonight at 8 p.m. Central Time. So hit that bell for notifications and hit the subscribe button right now, you guys. And if you guys want to be members of this channel, hit that join button right now to be a member and get exclusive content that I will be preparing for you guys in the future. I want to also give back to you guys, because if you guys really support this channel and really enjoy the content, it only feels right to be a member on this channel and really enjoy the content that I put out for you guys together. But I do want to give back in the future. And right now I'm just building things up for the future for that to happen. But right now, you guys, this is what I'm seeing so far in the market. I see probably a potential pullback. We are holding strong here. Now let me take a look at RCI. RCI is very bullish, so we may hold pretty well here. And then the 4-hour RCI, let's see what it's saying. It's saying it's completely bullish, so we may actually continue up from here. So we will see very soon. And last but not least, what I want to show you guys, and y'all probably wondering what these numbers are, you have to stay tuned for the live stream to get these numbers and what these numbers mean at the very bottom. But that being said, I want to end this on a great note. I do see XRP having a strong run to the upside. Up to here is where I see my potential targets. We are forming a bullish cloud. Once this white line gets above the the cloud, and what's price is above the cloud as well, XRP is going to have a straight shot to the upside. It's going to be free, and I believe we could see a $10 XRP by the end of the year. And I'm going to actually line that up right there. $10. A $10 XRP is looking pretty fine to me. I liked how that rhymes. But you guys, it is something that a lot of people doubt, but you got to have faith in this game. You got to really have huevos to trade and also to invest. So this is what I'm projecting, a move from here to $10. We see that, look what happened back in here at around this same price. It moved up to $3. Well, why can't we not move a little bit higher up to $10? So this is something I am projecting. I do believe $10 is up in the running. I do want to say that, well, let me give a time frame. Let me see. If we don't even hit $10 by December, I'm gonna say probably like January or maybe even February we could hit $10, or March. So we could get this move here. It's not gonna do the exact movement, but something up to this point. So like maybe by March we could get up to here, maybe even June. But these are prices that I do see that that are very possible for XRP to hit in the future. So that being said, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that, enjoyed this analysis. Comment your thoughts, subscribe, hit that like button. It helps the channel grow, and I hope to see you guys on the live stream tonight. You guys be blessed, be encouraged, and keep keeping the faith in Jesus' name. All right, God bless you guys, and peace.